Clara. Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your host, Clara. I'm so happy you're here to learn English with me today. Last time we learned how to say hello and introduce ourselves. Today we'll learn more ways to say hello and also how to say goodbye in English. This is very important for daily conversations. You'll learn different greetings for different times of the day, how to ask, "How are you?" in a short way, and many ways to say goodbye. Learning to speak English is a journey, and every small step counts. Listen carefully, practice with me, and don't worry about mistakes. We're here to learn together. Are you ready to expand your greetings and farewells in English? Let's begin. We'll listen to two friends, Alex and Ben, meeting in the morning and then later saying goodbye. Listen to how they greet each other with different words. Alex, "Good morning, Ben." Ben, "Good morning, Alex. How are you today?" Alex, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Ben, "I'm good, thanks." Clara, that was a short morning conversation. Alex and Ben used "good morning." This is a common way to say hello in the morning. They also asked, "How are you?" Now let's practice these important greetings for different times of the day. Listen carefully to each one and then please repeat after me. Saying the words aloud helps you remember them. First, for the morning, from when you wake up until around 12 p.m. A good morning. Next, for the afternoon, from 12 p.m. until around 5 p.m. Good afternoon. Then for the evening, from around 5 p.m. until you go to bed. Good evening. And when you're leaving someone who's going to sleep or when you're going to sleep. Good night. Wonderful. You just practiced greetings for different times. Remember, good night is often used as a farewell when someone is going to bed. Now let's practice asking, "How are you?" in a short way. You heard Alex and Ben say, "How are you today?" And a common short answer is, "I'm fine, thank you." Another short answer is, "I'm good, thanks." Very good. You're doing well. Now let's listen to Alex and Ben when they say goodbye. Listen closely for different ways to end a conversation. Alex, "It was nice talking to you, Ben. I need to go now." Ben, "Hey Alex. Goodbye." Alex, "Bye, Ben. See you later." Thank you. Have a good day. Alex, you. Clara, Alex and Ben said goodbye in many ways. This is very common in English. Goodbye is a simple way, but there are many others. Let's practice these farewell phrases. Listen and repeat. The most common way to say goodbye. Goodbye. A shorter, very common way. Bye. When you expect to see someone again soon. See you later. If you know you'll see them tomorrow. See you tomorrow. If you want to wish someone a good day. Have a good day. If someone says, "Have a good day," you can reply with, "You." Sometimes people say, "See ya," as a very informal, "See you." See ya. Excellent practice. You just learned many ways to say goodbye. Practice section, saying hello and goodbye. Clara, you've learned so many new greetings and farewells today. Now it's time for more practice. This will help you use English with more confidence. Part 1. Key vocabulary and phrases review. Listen to each phrase, then repeat it clearly. Focus on saying it exactly like me. A good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thanks. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. You. See ya. Clara. Excellent repetition. Now let's put these into full sentences. Listen to the entire sentence, then say it yourself. Part 2. Listen and repeat sentences. Listen to the full sentence, then repeat it. A good morning, Alex. A good afternoon, Maria. A good evening, Ben. A good night, Mom. How are you today, David? I'm fine, thank you, Clara. I'm good, thanks, Tom. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Dad. See you later, friend. See you tomorrow at school. Have a good day at work. You too, bye. Clara, fantastic job repeating sentences. You're getting better with every practice. Part 3. Simple question and answer. Clara, now I'll ask you questions in English. You say your answer in English. Remember to use the phrases you learned. Take your time. 1. Clara, imagine it's 9 a.m. How do you greet me? Oh, your turn to answer. Good morning. 2. Clara, now it's 3 p.m. How do you greet me? Oh, your turn to answer. Good afternoon. 3. Clara, it's 8 p.m. How do you greet me? Oh, your turn to answer. Good evening. 4. Clara, you're leaving. How do you say goodbye simply? Oh, your turn to answer. Goodbye. Or bye. 5. Clara, you want to wish me a nice day. What do you say? Oh, your turn to answer. Have a good day. 6. Clara, I say, have a good day, to you. What do you say back? Oh, your turn to answer. You too. 7. Clara, you know you'll see me tomorrow. What do you say? Oh, your turn to answer. See you tomorrow. Clara, excellent. You're using different greetings and farewells. Part 4. Mini conversations role play. Clara, let's practice short conversations. I'll be one person and you be the other. Listen to my part, then say your part. Scenario 1. Meeting in the morning. Clara, person A, good morning. How are you today? Your turn, person B, respond with, I'm good/fine, thank you. And ask, and you? Clara, person A, I'm fine, thanks. It's a nice day. Let's switch roles. Now you're person A. I'm person B. Your turn, person A, start the conversation with a morning greeting and ask how I am. Clara, person B, good morning. I'm good, thanks. Your turn, person A, say, you too, or similar. Scenario 2, saying goodbye after meeting. Clara, person A, well, it was nice talking to you. I need to go now. Your turn, person B, say, goodbye, or bye. Clara, person A, see you later. Have a good day. Your turn, person B, respond with, you too, and a farewell. Let's switch roles. Now you're person A. I'm person B. Your turn, person A, say you need to go now and say goodbye. Clara, person B, okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow. Your turn, person A, respond with you too, or see you. Scenario 3, saying good night. Clara, person A, I'm very tired. I'll go to sleep now. Your turn, person B, say good night, and sleep well. Clara, person A, good night. See you in the morning. Let's switch. Now you're person A. I'm person B. Your turn, person A, say you're going to sleep and say good night. Clara, person B, good night. Have a good sleep. Your turn, person A, say, you too, or thank you. Clara, you're doing such an amazing job with these conversations. This is how you build real fluency. Part 5. Challenge yourself. Integrated practice. Clara, for our final practice, let's try a slightly longer mini conversation. Imagine you're meeting someone at 6 p.m. Try to use everything you learned today. I'll start. Clara, good evening. How are you today? Your turn. Greet me back and say how you are, maybe ask, and you? Clara, I'm great, thanks. It was a busy day. I need to leave soon. Your turn. Say, oh, okay, and say goodbye using, see you later, or, have a good evening. Clara, yes, see you later. Have a good evening too. Bye. Your turn, say bye, or you too. Clara, you just had a longer conversation using different greetings and farewells. Give yourself a big congratulations. You used good evening, how are you, responded to how are you, and used see you later, and have a good evening. That's a huge step in English. Clara, you've reached the end of today's lesson and you did wonderfully. You learned so much about saying hello and goodbye in English. Today we covered greetings for different times. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Asking about well-being. How are you today? Common responses. I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thanks. Farewells. Goodbye, bye, see you later, see you tomorrow. Wishing others well. Have a good day/evening/night. Responding to wishes. You too. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Try to use these phrases every day. Think in English. Speak in English even to yourself. You're doing great on your English journey. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep boosting your English confidence. Until then, goodbye for now. See you next time.